Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use your Walmart discount card in store. First, understand that this card is typically for associates and their eligible dependents, offering a percentage off most general merchandise. It's a fantastic perk designed to help you save money on everyday essentials and more. Make sure you know the specific discount percentage, usually 10%, and which items qualify before you shop. When you're ready to check out, simply present your physical or digital discount card to the cashier before they begin scanning your items. This ensures the system recognizes your eligibility. If you're using self-checkout, look for the option to scan your associate discount card, usually found on the payment screen. Always confirm the discount has been applied to your total before completing the transaction. Your discount card typically provides a 10% discount on most general merchandise, including clothing, electronics, and home goods. However, it's important to note some exclusions. Items like alcohol, tobacco products, firearms, gift cards, and certain services are generally not eligible for the discount. Always check the specific policy or ask an associate if you are unsure about a particular item. To ensure a smooth checkout, always have your discount card ready. If you notice the discount hasn't been applied, politely inform the cashier before completing your payment. They can usually correct it quickly. If your card is lost or damaged, or if you encounter persistent issues, reach out to your store's associate relations or human resources department for assistance. They can help you get a replacement or resolve any problems.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.